Hi guys, good evening. Right now it's about 7 p.m. and today is 11th of October 2021. How was your day? We had a most wonderful day at Stock Pro. The trades that we have done were so astonishing. So before we go on to what trades we did, I would like to show you what's happening in Nifty. So, okay, before I go on even there, I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI-registered research analyst. I'm founder and chief method Stock Pro and partner with Zerodha Stocks, Fires and Asta Trade. So this is my Twitter handle. You can join me here and get the live updates on the stocks that we give. This is my YouTube channel. On this you will watch, like, this is like a university. You can go to all the videos one after the other, start from the very beginning, and it's like a university. You will get to learn so much from us. We will be sending you so many things you will understand and learn from us. And then this is my Telegram channel where I'm really super active from morning till evening. And this is where you will get the live trades, right? Have a look at what trades we gave starting from the morning, right? So we started with trades like, I'll just show it to you. This is Friday. I'm going to show you today. This is today. So we started with here. The first trade that we gave was IEX. Then we gave Tata Motors. We gave Coal India. We gave REC Limited, which didn't give a breakout. CUB gave a breakout. SRF gave a breakout. Power Grid gave a breakout. Except REC Limited, all the trades we gave MCX, which gave a good breakout. It was almost like 70-80 points in this. So these are the kind of stocks you get here, and Kotek Bank I have given, which gave a good target of, I think, 2005 or something. Kotak Bank also gave a pretty decent profit. So here is Kotak Bank. It made a high of 2002. So still 12 points, it gave 12 points. So, and then I had given Astral, which didn't give a breakout. But look at the stocks that we had given you, right? Awas I had given for a buy. It made a high of 2840 and still it is at almost at the cost price. So guys, I'm back with some more stocks, some more analysis, some more discussion. And of course, I would also like to read your comments. What all have you been writing? And so here I'll go on here. Thank you, ma'am, for giving such nice talks, and really your suggestions are always awesome. Will buy tomorrow. Yes. Then we'll keep accumulating. Very good analysis. Love the way you teach. And the company also is very nice. Thank you so much, ma'am. Is as COVID wave is reducing, people be less interested in buying these products. This product, a common man thought process. No. That's not correct. People are going to be more health conscious nowadays. That's what I believe. Like for example, I am pretty health conscious because I don't want any at any moment my parameters to go down. So what I know, when I'm been talking to people, I know for a fact that they want to be very health conscious, right? And again, first, okay, this is just that. Okay. Uh, so let's go on further. Not much interesting, but of course I answered one question where you said that people will be least interested. Rather, people will be more interested because they are going to be more health conscious now. So now again we come back to Nifty's analysis first and foremost. If you see Nifty today crossed, actually it crossed its previous high. Like I told you, the double top makes a lot of it's very significant double top here, right? You see here, I've showed you earlier and I told you that the double top is pretty significant double top, and after that some bit of correction came in the market here, right? Today if you notice, Nifty closed exactly at the same point and it's almost forming a double top. So let's see how it goes tomorrow. If the opening happens tomorrow little higher and it continues, if it goes above this place, today's high 18040, then we can expect Nifty to continue its momentum in the upward direction. But If it goes below 17,845, then definitely a little bit correction, a little bit profit booking can be expected. So let's have a look at what is happening at the bank Nifty. First Nifty. So Nifty is here. As you can see out here, there is almost every place there has been unwinding happening, right? There are these contracts that have been written today, right? These are new contracts. Rather, I would go to the little higher place. There are these contracts that have been written today, right? So 22, 10, 22. So 44 plus 44 plus 16. So 50, 60, 67 and 21, 87, 88, 88, 92, 93 and 13, 93. So 1 lakh contracts have been written here. Let's see what's happening on the other side. So I've taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 contracts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 contracts. Till here, let's see what's happening, right? So 13 plus 16 plus 25, I'll have to quickly add them up and see what is exactly happening. So it's 13 plus 19, 16, sorry, plus 12 plus 25 plus 10 plus 13 plus 6. So almost on the same range, like the higher, all these contracts here and here exactly are same, except there is this 38,847 contracts that have been written in the money, right? So our strong base becomes 18,000, right? 18,000 is a very, very strong base that has been formed by the put writers, right? This is the base that has been formed, right? So now what can be expected? Let's have a look at what's happening in bank Nifty as well, because bank Nifty will kind of also tell us exactly what's the situation tomorrow, because together if they move in the same direction, movement can expected to be very good. So see, if we see out here, there has been unwinding at these levels till this point, very little writing out here, but there are these contracts that have been written today. So about 31 plus 5, 31 plus 5 is 36 plus 8, 44 plus 6, 50, 54,000 contracts. And if I see on the other side here what is happening, there is huge number of contracts have been written here. So the put writing is much higher than the call writing today. This was today. You know how the dynamics change tomorrow? We don't know. But at this point of time, when I'm looking at it, it looks that the put writing is much higher than the call writing, and hence bank Nifty looks bullish, right? Bank Nifty has little bullish stance today. Let's see what happens tomorrow. So I have got few FNO stocks for you and few cash stocks for you. So the first stock that I have on my radar is Jubilant Food, right? Jubilant Food Works. That's the first stock that I'm having on my radar, and it looks pretty good to buy above 4122. But I will take an entry right after the morning range, right? We'll see tomorrow. Whatever is the morning range, or maybe you can take above 40. I would have 4098 is a good place. Rather, 4100 is a place where you can take a good entry. All right, there's one stock which is looking very, very good to me for the upcoming few months, right? I'm not talking about days, I'm talking about few months, right? And that stock is NMDC. I have been telling about it for the past many days. If you go back and watch my videos, I've told about it, I've talked about it when it was developing over here, right? Now it looks very, very powerful. Now it looks very, very powerful. Above this place, it is just going to move in state in at least till this point. 161 is going to be our target. So now see here, the gap has been filled. Now first target is almost reached 150, and now the next target is going to be 161, right? So in case you want to avoid any kind of ups and downs in the market, take a far off contracts, like December contract. Right now we are in October, you can take December contract. Then we have this gap out here. If this gap is filled up, right, then the next possibility for this stock will be 170, right? 170, after 170, 180, and 185 could be its final target, at least in this year. That's what I'm expecting. You can come back to my today's video of 11th of October and watch if it touches 185 price. So these are the two stocks that I have on my radar. Then there is one more stock that I have on my radar is CUB, right? City Union Bank. This is also looking very good, almost like head and shoulder pattern breakout has happened yesterday on Friday, and today the price continued. आज प्राइस ऊपर की डायरेक्शन में ही चलता है, एंड 170 के ऊपर आप इसमें बाइंग कर सकते हो फॉर अ टारगेट ऑफ 180 in few days, right? I'm not talking about intraday targets, I'm talking about few days, right? So this is my third trade in FNO, and the fourth trade that I'm giving you in FNO is in hotel. In hotel is what my next trade is. You can buy it above right to 112 for a target of about 220 for sure, and if 220 is crossed, then 230 and 240 target can also be seen, right? These are my 4 FNO stocks. So what are the 4 FNO stocks? Let me write them down for you. For FNO is Jubilant Food, CUB, Ind Hotel, and NMDC, right? Although I have a few more, but I will see if a breakout is coming tomorrow. I will be giving it on the channel. The rest 3 stocks that I have in cash segment are Rosari, WellCop, and Pokrana. Let me just show you how they are looking at this point of time, and then we will understand technically how they look. How do they look at this point of time? So this is how Pokrana looks, right? It is right now in consolidation zone. This is where it's consolidating, and right above this place, you can go for a buy. 515 के ऊपर आप इसको buy कर सकते हैं. That is my first stock, Pokrana. The second stock that I have on my radar is Rosari. Rosari is a stock which Rosari Biotech, you should keep it in your portfolio for a long term, right? So see how Rosari has been just right after its IPO, it's just been moving in a 45-degree angle, right? Just have a look at it. It is exactly in the 45-degree, right? Look at this 45-degree angle, right? These kind of stocks, always whenever there is a dip that comes into them, you have to buy, right? You buy at every single dip, right? These stocks are fundamentally strong stock. This one particularly is a very strong stock, and maintaining an upper channel as well as the lower channel. Now if it breaks this upper channel tomorrow, we definitely have a buying opportunity, a fresh buying opportunity in Rosari Biotech. So where do we buy it? Above 1600, 1600 के ऊपर खरीदेंगे, और every dip ये channel आप भी draw कर सकते हो. Every time it comes to this midline, you can buy. If it comes to the lower line, 1350, you can add more. But do not exit this stock. Just keep it in your portfolio for as long as you can. So that's my second stock. So Pokrana, Rosari, and the third stock that I have on my radar is WellCop, right? Welspun Corporation, right? This is how it looks like, and we can buy above 152, right? The buying opportunity will come right after 152, and you can buy for a target of 161, and then a target of 165 can also be expected, and after 165 a target of 175 is for sure, can be assured, or maybe 180 can be assured, right? So I have already given you my stocks. I've given you my stocks: Jubilant Foods, CUB, Ind Hotel, NMDC. In the future segment, in cash segment, Rosari, WellCop, and Pokrana, right? So these are my stocks for tomorrow. So keep them on radar. All the best, guys, and remain connected with me wherever you want. You can be connected with me on Twitter, on my YouTube channel, on my Telegram channel. Telegram channel is where we give all live stocks. Just be here, Get your friends here, make money, mint money together with us. All the best and see you somewhere in the live market hours. Bye bye. Take care.